Hi, my name is Richard, and I'm going to show you how to find your GetSkinHelp confirmation email. When you originally registered through the GetSkinHelp website, you should have received a confirmation email from the team. If you don't have it, that's okay. Sometimes the email can end up in your junk mail, so make sure to check there. Also, since word got out, Canadians who want access to skin specialists online are swarming to GetSkinHelp. So it might take a few days from the date that you originally registered online before you actually receive your confirmation email. But rest assured, we're working hard to speed up that turnaround time. Lastly, you can always type GetSkinHelp with no extra spaces in your inbox search bar, and you'll find all the correspondence we've sent you. If none of that works, then email us at info@getskinhelp.com or call us or text us at 1-833-272-7546 and we'll straighten out everything. So now you have your confirmation email. What do you do next? Well, we ask you to please reply and confirm that the details of the appointment work for you. If they don't, let us know and we'll get back to you with alternative dates and times. We also ask that you tell us if you want to cancel your appointment, even if it's the day before, because that way we can open up that slot for someone else. There's a lot of people who want to see skin specialists, and no-show appointments play a role in creating those long wait times. So be neighborly and cancel ahead if you can't make your appointment. It is, after all, the Canadian thing to do. Thank you for watching, and until next time, we wish you good skin health.